Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on to this video, and I want to give you a heads up, spoiler alert. This is the Easter egg basket from Simply Gilded. So if you aren't aware, Simply Gilded each year does a Easter egg basket hunt, if you will. She's changed it up this year. There was 2 opportunities to shop this unique Easter basket, and she sets up the website so that you go out to the lawn and look for and try to snag or nab an Easter basket. So this year there was only one variation of the basket and an hour to shop, and you get to you've got to go to the website, and she drops a limited amount every 5-ish minutes, and you got to have ninja fingers and nab those baskets as quick as you can, check out, and it's just this big adrenaline rush to try to grab a basket. And I was able to get one within the first I want to say 20 minutes or so. I was on the computer, on my iPhone, on my tablet, and yeah, I was able to nab one. So again, spoiler alert, if you're not ready to see this, go ahead and click off and come back to it after you received your package or whatever the case may be. But I'm going to open this up, so if you want to see what's in this bag, stick around. All right, let's get into this. I'm so excited to see the contents. She gave very little hints, but she was super excited. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited too. Okay, I'm gonna put this over to the side, and we're gonna open one thing at a time here. So the basket costs $35. It's valued, I believe, at $70 or $75, which is now 50% discount, which is awesome. There is more stuff in there, so I'm just excited just what I see in front of me. So first off, we have a juniper clip. This is so cute. Sorry for the noise. Look how adorable she is. Oh my goodness. She is so cute. And I do see that there is some plastic on there, so you do want to take that off. A little trick I learned is if you get a nail file and just kind of file the edge of it, then you can take the plastic up pretty easily. So look how cute she is. So again, she's a clip. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. I love her. Okay, we've got some washi tape, and looks like you've got I don't know, this almost looks like there's a scene in the back, but it's definitely kind of an ombre cotton candy effect, and it's the garland. And then you've got this one with some hearts and some vines. And then this one looks like it is pink bows, some bunnies, and like a frame, like an oval frame. So we'll definitely open these up and swatch them out. Actually, let me get out my little washi holder here. And let's take a look at the stickers. I love the folder. If you order stickers from her, you always get one of these very thick, sturdy folders. I love these. Okay, so you get a journaling card. It reminds me of, what is that story tell? The Cottontail Rabbit? I think that's what it's called. But I love the bows tied around them. That is so sweet. It says Happy Easter, French Easter deco sheet. So sweet. I hope you can see these. I've been having problems like getting my camera to focus. I don't know if somehow I changed a setting. Wow, let me take that back. I clicked on upgrade, update, whatever, and every time I do that, it changes things on me. So here is the sticker kit. These colors are so pretty. I absolutely love the way they look. Very vintage. So these are your full boxes, your date headers. You've got some flags and then all the extra tiny deco. These are so cute. I love the new layout of these sticker sheets that we get these little extra decos. And then you get quarter boxes, half boxes, more flags, headers, and then last but not least, you get the heart icons and dates. And it is a gold foil. Those are so pretty. I love this kit. I can't wait to use that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Let's go with this one next. Oh my goodness. I have not gotten one of these in such a long time, or at least it feels like a long time. I don't think we got one in the Advent box, but is a little juniper and it's special edition. I'm assuming the box is an indicator of what it looks like. And there she is. Oh, she's so cute. Her little pink dress. Oh, look at the bow. And it's V-cut. Look at her little feet. Simply Gilded 2024. So I only have one other, and I'm going to grab her real quick. I keep her on this little couch that I have it's actually a jewelry box. And this one is in 2023. I might have to start a collection. But look how cute they are. Now they can be friends. Sitting on the couch having some tea. So cute. Okay, and I think there's one more thing in here. Let me just make sure. Yep. So we've got some PET tape, and I am so excited. I can already see the design. Oh my goodness. And I don't know if you watched the video where I said if Simply Gilded starts selling PET, like it's over, like the game is over. I mean, think about her designs on PET tape. So these are always very tricky to open, but I peeled off a sticker there. But let's see if I can, that doesn't do it justice. I need something white. Here we go. And is it focusing? I'm gonna have to figure out this camera situation. Let's see if I can do this. We've got some gold bunnies, some white and gold bunnies. These are so cute. So it goes from like here to here before it repeats, but you got some bows and just very cute. You get so much in a roll. I mean, it's ridiculous. So if you have a planner buddy or bestie that didn't get an opportunity to pick up this box, you could certainly share some of your finds with them, because there is so many on here. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is what was in the bag, in the Easter basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the washi tape, swatch them out, and I'll come right back. So I have swatched out the washi that came in the 2024 Easter basket from Simply Gilded, and I did go ahead and take off some of the PET tape as well. I have one more here on the edge of, let's see if it's gotten to focus. That is so weird. I've got to get this fixed. But here's the sticker, and I wanted to show you with her PET tape. She does do a similar thing that Wrong does, and that is that she makes the back of it white so that your sticker can be opaque when you lay it down. So I'm going to stick that down there, and then we're going to try to focus here. And I don't know if you can tell, but you can't see any of the dots behind the stickers. Even like this one here, it's an opaque bunny with the gold outline. So there are all of the washi tapes swatched out, and I love this like cotton candy sherbet background with the garland, and then the cute sweet little bunnies and the pink bows. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to use these in a spread along with the sticker sheets. But there you have it. There is the Easter basket for 2024 from Simply Gilded. She knocked it out of the park. As a reminder, we got this collector's juniper, the little paper clip, chip clip, I think is what it's called. And then you get 4 washi tapes, a roll of PET tape, a full sticker kit, deco sheet, journaling card. And this is perfect little Easter theme for the upcoming season. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to pick one up yourself. If you've never shopped Simply Gilded, I have a coupon down in the description. But again, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, all the things, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, friends. Bye.